Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne. And if you have a Porsche Cayenne or a Volkswagen Touareg, we're going to show you guys how to remove, how to locate and replace your car battery. So this is the new Porsche that we got, and we've been rebuilding that thing on Auto Repair guys, our main channel. Check it out. So you can see the engine's been taken apart, doing some mechanical work here, and now we need to remove the battery. Okay, and we'll show you where to locate it and how to remove it. So we're going to need a triple square socket. It's called an M10. Okay. You can find the tools and parts that we use in the description of the video below, so please check it out. 10mm socket extension and 13mm socket. So we need to go now to the inside on the front, okay, front driver side, and under the seat guys. Okay, let me show you how we have the seat now. I have the back of the seat all the way to the front. We're going to remove the floor mats now, and there is two hidden caps underneath that we'll need to go ahead and remove. And under those caps is where you're going to find two bolts that we'll be able to remove with that M10 socket. Okay, one cover that has two clips, one is broken on ours. And this is the second cover here. Now let me show you where exactly the bolts are. Okay, one bolt here, that's with that triple square socket. Okay, that thing will not be able to come loose with just the little impact, because we got them tight, really tight last time. The second bolt is over there, you can see. So this is the second one that we'll remove. Now we have amazing detailing videos. We haven't done anything to the inside. That's how we got the car from a car auction. So you can check out where we buy our cars from and all that stuff. Please subscribe to the channel guys, okay? And we'll just get it loose by hand at first. We'll do the same to the other side. Perfect. Okay, next we're going to remove the bolts. One bolt is out, and now the second. Okay, perfect. Now we can lean the seat towards the back. Okay, check it out now. You just grab and push it towards the back. Now that's where the cover is for the battery. Two clips holding there. One, two over there. Remove that cover, and under that cover, okay, is your car battery. Perfect. Now here we have two brackets that hold in place, one with a 10mm socket. Okay, so let me just get here so you don't. Okay, better view. Okay, that one, 10mm socket, short little bolt. Perfect. And now the big one is okay right there, that long bolt. Okay, with a 13mm socket now. 10. Over 10. One of the two. Perfect. This one's out. Now it's important how you remove your car battery. You need to remove the negative cable first. At least that's what we found. Okay. One out. Now working on the second one, and we can pull the that second mount. We'll disconnect the breather hose now so we don't break it, and we'll remove the second one. Perfect. Okay, this guy is a little bit stuck. Okay, so let's see if we can wiggle it a little bit out of there. Okay, came out. So let me go ahead and grab the battery now. That thing is super heavy. Okay. Let me get that breather hose out of here so I don't break it. And I'll just go ahead, pick it up, and pull it out. This is it, guys. The battery out of the Cayenne. Touareg, that generation, 2003 to 2010, should be the same way. So hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.